Alright, so we're going to do a Meller Marketing unboxing.
Hello everyone.
Haven't done one of these in a while. Alright, so step one, we've already blackened out, I just want to point to the address, we'd already blackened out our address, so this is a really key to doing an unboxing. You don't want people to know where you live, you gotta blacken out your address. And then very carefully, think about what's in the box, use the scissors. This is okay to use the scissors along the top. Okay, excuse me, Charlotte. I don't want to slice your face open with the scissors.
Yeah, I want you to.
Alright, so there we go, we got the box open. Now we got to make sure it's in a good angle as we open this up.
Oh, what's that?
And look at this, we got a nice little calendar. So
Calendar?
nice. This is a nice thing to do if you send out shipments to your customers. It looks like actually this is a sticker, so I can stick this on someplace. That's kind of a cool
this
thing.
Looks like shelves and stuff.
Deep pallet racks. Ooh, a huge selection of pallet wrapping. I don't think I need any pallets
No, we
for
have
the office.
cleaning. It's like a book of cleaning.
Janitorial supplies. Don't think we'll have any need for any of that.
Can I take this off?
But perhaps we will. Okay, go ahead. Yep.
Dun,
Bum,
dun,
bum, 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 bum. All right, so what we have here, folks, is we're getting ready for the first ever shipment of Meller Marketing's social media pie book. And I bought these. These are little bubble wrapped U-line envelopes, and I just want to kind of test this out. So the guy that I'm working with as my coach, this is his book, How to Write a Book in 30 Days. And I don't have my book yet, but it's about 270 pages. And I'm just looking at his book as an example and flipping to the back of the book. So you can see his book right here is about 121 pages. So let's assume, I don't know if this is going to be thick enough, Charlotte. And I'm going to use my friend John Esperian's book as another example. His
Can
book,
I put it in?
His book is about 240 pages, so it's not quite two of these thick. Let's use one of John's because I think it's going to be about that size. We got a little bit more room in there. And then maybe I use my friend, who's this? This is Keisha Kent's book. Her book's about 50 pages. Try to fit that in there too. So I'm kind of guesstimating. I think this is going to work. And it's roughly...
And you can tape it like
and
that.
it's roughly this height too. So I think this is going to be like just perfect. So I'm going to wait to get the books in before I order more of these envelopes. But what I did is I think I ordered... How many are in there, Charlotte? You want to count them up or not really?
I'm good.
This will be like a homeschooling math project. Count up one side of them and see how many are on one side of it. Not even going to do that? Oh, goodness gracious. Does it have a packing slip?
No.
I bet it doesn't have a packing slip. I want to say I ordered like 30 or 40 of them. So let's see how many we ordered.
100.
Isn't this exciting?
For the people that are watching along, there should be a little packing list in here. Gotta remove that quickly in case it has my address, which it does. Okay. Alright, so let's see. This is 1 unit of pink poly bubble mailers, but it doesn't say the quantity of them. I want to say it was like 30 or 40 though. So we will check that out. This has been Meller Marketing Unboxed. I hope you enjoyed the pink on-brand envelopes because, reminder, you can have fun with your shipping containers. It doesn't need to be a boring envelope. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Hope you enjoyed this. You want to say goodbye or no?
Sure.
Okay.
Bye. Fly mode activated.